In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix exit guided access without password on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, firstly is the standard exit. If everything's working normally, use the triple click shortcut. So triple click the side button. On an iPhone, you can do Face ID or the home button on older models, and then enter your guided access passcode, and then tap end in the top left of your screen. If you've enabled biometrics in your settings, you can also exit much faster. So double click the side button, glance at your phone to authenticate with your Face ID or rest your finger on the Touch ID sensor, and the session is going to end automatically without needing a PIN. However, if the screen's frozen or you can't remember the code, you'll need to force a reboot. So this won't delete your data, but it'll forcibly kill the guided access session. So quickly press and release the volume up button, do the same with volume down, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen, and this can take up to 15 seconds. And once the phone restarts, guided access is going to be disabled. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.